Okay, they weren't kidding. It's totally worth it.
Adventure seekers, are you ready for an unforgettable journey through Yosemite National Park? Join me as we immerse ourselves in the breathtaking beauty of this iconic landscape. From the golden hour magic of Glacier Point to the heart-pounding rush of the Mist Trail, this experience captures the essence of Yosemite. We'll paddle the tranquil Merced River, witness the power of Nevada and Vernal Falls, and soak in the panoramic views from Sentinel Dome. Get ready to be amazed as you explore this natural wonder like never before. Let's dive in. So our adventure is going to start on one of the most popular trails in Yosemite. Can you guess which trail it is? It is called Mist Trail. It's named after a mist that rises from the base of the 317-foot, 97-meter Vernal Fall. The mist is so thick that I don't think we can even see 10 feet in front of us. Can you feel the mist on your face? This is crazy. Look how soaked I am getting. The extreme heat wave here is making these falls enormous. So we are climbing these slippery steps right alongside this 317-foot falls. That was intense, friend. I am completely soaked right through my rain jacket.
It's the windshield! Wipe with wipers. Youngins passes. Look at the line of people.
Yay! We made it to the top. I am going to hold you out over the falls, friend, so you can look down at this beast of a waterfall. Oh my goodness! That is an epic view.
It's going horizontal, but it feels like it's a free fall. It's so fast.
So fast. Wow, we got our first view of Nevada Falls right through the trees there. And then what is it, Liberty Cap, Broderick, and our first little sighting of Half Dome right there behind.
Wow, listen to that roar of that waterfall. It is incredible. It is named Nevada Falls.
Nevada Falls. That is just a lot of water.
It's an enormous 594 feet. That's 181 meters tall. I know, it looks huge, but that's even bigger than I estimated. This beast is way more massive than it appears. Your view is quite epic to see off the edge of this incredible, almost 600-foot waterfall. It's hard to get a scale of this 600-foot waterfall. So how about this perspective for scale? Here's a view of Vernal and Nevada Falls from Glacier Peak. Remember how huge Vernal Falls by the Mist Trail was? Well, that is just the tiny little one at the bottom, and the top one is Nevada Falls. I know, it's so much larger.
It's a beautiful park.
Oh, you have a beautiful view of Sentinel Dome. Wow. That's awesome.
From Sentinel Dome, we also witnessed the sheer power of Yosemite Falls.
Wow!
That is amazing.
Nice little flyby. Thank you for not.
Perfect.
Thank you for not dumping the tanks as you went by. What a view!
Oh, amazing.
It's like, to me, this tree is just going. Look at that view!
That's awesome.
But my favorite view is from the Merced River, floating beneath its cascading waters.
Oh, you guys can get a picture of him while you turn back around.
As we float down the Merced River, the gentle current carries us through a serene landscape
I know.
to the soothing sounds of the water, the rustling leaves, and the distant echo of Yosemite Falls. Another favorite viewpoint of the valley is Tunnel View, for it is the epic view you see as you emerge from the Wawona Tunnel, which is 4,233 feet long. It is the longest highway tunnel in California. As you emerge from the Wawona Tunnel, you are greeted by panoramic vista, and there in the distance is Vernal Falls. It is 620 feet, 189 meters tall.
That's so good.
One of the highlights of this trip has been the friendships we've formed. Wade and his family have been incredible companions, and who could forget the amazing people we meet along the way? We camped together, floated the Merced River together, and enjoyed half-dome pizza together. As we bid farewell to Yosemite, I can't help but feel a sense of awe and gratitude for this incredible place. The towering cliffs, the cascading waterfalls have left an undeniable mark on my heart. But our adventure doesn't end here. Our next stop is the stunning California coast, where we encounter playful sea lions, charming coastal towns, and breathtaking landscapes. Join us on this unforgettable journey by subscribing, liking, and sharing this video. And remember, the adventure never ends. VR Getaway, transporting you on beautiful immersive adventures. Big thanks to Todd, Gemini, and Vlad Glushenko. See you again real soon. Bye now.